To complete the setup of order entry, enter any and all documents that are currently in process from your old accounting system. Only enter the documents that are still active because these are the only documents that have not been factored into your general ledger or accounts receivable modules yet. So with order entry, this will include any quotes or sales orders that have detail lines that have not been shipped. Because this section discusses the entry of existing orders, only those fields that are related to entering outstanding documents is covered. Again, when establishing beginning values, only enter outstanding quotes and detail lines on sales orders that have not been shipped. Don't enter shipped or invoice type documents because they have already generated journal entries that have been posted within accounts receivable and general ledger. Those modules are already up and running with the transaction amounts factored in. Therefore, the purpose here is to simply enter those documents that are in progress. In the order number field, enter the outstanding sales order number assigned from your old accounting system. The word new here indicates that order entry will assign the next sequential order number. Don't leave this set at new because the existing order from your other accounting system already assigned an order number, of which is most likely before the next sequential number that Accpac will automatically assign. Let's assume an existing order contains the order number IN 65009. Then enter the customer number along with the date from the original order. Next, assign it the appropriate type. Active indicates the order is current and will be filled when items are available. Future indicates the order is to be filled upon a future date being reached. Standing orders are reoccurring orders that can be used over and over again, where quotes are pre-order requests, possibly to get an approval to purchase items at a specific price. All field choices will be covered further when discussing normal processing. This section is designed to get the system up and functioning. Let's say an order for Ronald Black has 2 outstanding items that have not been shipped or invoiced. Possibly they were unshippable earlier because the items had insufficient stock. Select item as the type, rather than miscellaneous charge, and then the item number. The price list defaults from the customer, or template, and then select the location the item is to be shipped from. Enter the order quantity, then enter the expected ship date. The system defaults to the date identified within the header section, of which of course defaults from the date Accpac was started. Next, 10 what? Well, 10 eaches. And then the system defaults to the associated price for the customer. More on this later. The shipped field indicates that the items are to be shipped immediately. So for beginning balances, this will be left at 0. Actually, if the item can be shipped now, indicate the quantity that can be shipped. The order will then become a shipment. Again, more on this later. The system calculates the backorder quantity. Tabbing across, here's the extended price. This is where line item discounts can be entered. Observe the item cost. Enter serial number information and other various fields, of which will be covered in more detail later. Let's assume another item couldn't be shipped on the original order. How about halogen bulbs? Let's say they ordered 20 of those, of which none could be shipped. Okay, that's it for this existing order. At this point, optionally review the other pages of the order window by clicking on the tabs at the top. Usually the information on these windows does not require modification because default settings were already established within other sections of Accpac. However, changes may need to be made from the selected default settings, such as the term code or tax settings. Again, more on this later. At some point, the Totals tab needs to be selected to review the totals of the order, including any discounts, prepayments, and taxes. Among other things, verify that the total amount of the order matches the existing order from your old accounting system. If not, then this window can be used to see if it is a pricing problem, a discount problem, or a tax problem. When everything matches, click the Post button to post the order. Repeat this process for each outstanding sales order or quote.
Please proceed to order entry transactions.